how to redeem Dragon Ball Legends promo codes. The first things first is the how the promo codes work on Dragon Ball Legends. First things first, how the Dragon Ball Legends promotional codes works is via only a QR code. Now all you have to do is just to launch Dragon Ball Legends on your device, and then on the menu button, just simply tap on that and just click or tap on scan code button, and you will have to allow permissions from your mobile device for you to be able to use your camera. And by then, these are all the QR codes that you can use. You can either pause this video and have this screenshot so you can use it. So these are free rewards that you can use. So again, all you have to do is access your Dragon Ball Legends on your device, go to the menu, and then just simply tap on scan code. So that's it. That's how you can redeem promotional codes on Dragon Ball Legends.